It's fall, and that means new overnight oats recipes. These oats are warm, soothing, and great for those cool fall mornings.
The first recipe is chai apple overnight oats. The base recipe for overnight oats is 1 part oats to 1 part plant milk. In this case, I'm using 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, which is the best type of oats for overnight oats. I add spices and half of a finely chopped apple.
Wow, I suck.
I add vanilla, maple syrup, and I'm using unsweetened cashew milk, which is my preference. You could use whichever plant milk that you prefer. And this goes into the fridge overnight or for 4 hours minimum. These recipes make 2 to 3 servings each. I like to top my oats with vegan yogurt, more chopped apple, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. All of the recipes will be listed in the description box below. So yummy.
If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe. It's free, and I can't grow without you.
The next recipe is pumpkin pie overnight oats. I add pumpkin pie spice, pumpkin puree, and vanilla. And I go in with a bit of maple syrup. When it's ready, I add some to a cup with vegan yogurt, cinnamon, and some rehydrated dried cranberries. While this recipe is good cold, it's even better warmed up.
Hey guys, I'm super active on Instagram. I put a link in the description. I would love for us to be friends.
The last recipe is maple pecan overnight oats. Chopped pecans go into the jar along with chia seeds and spices. I add vanilla, maple syrup, and plant milk, and into the fridge it goes. When it's ready, I add more yogurt, pecans, and maple syrup. This is one of my favorites to heat up. So good on a cool morning.
If you enjoyed these great overnight oats recipes, check out this video right here.